Hello students, welcome back. Today we will discuss about connectors which are used in writing. In IELTS Task 2, you are required to write an essay on a given topic. To effectively organize your ideas and create a cohesive essay, it is crucial to use appropriate connectors or linking words and phrases. These connectors helps to establish logical connections between different parts of your essay, enhance coherence and demonstrate your ability to present arguments and ideas effectively. Here are some commonly used connectors for IELTS Task 2. First one is addition. Additionally, furthermore, moreover, in addition, also. Contrast or expressing disagreement. However, on the other hand, on the flip side, nevertheless, conversely. Third one is example. For example, for instance, such as specifically, in particular, to exemplify. Result or effects. As a result, consequently, therefore, hence, thus. Fifth one is reason or cause. Because, since, due to, owing to. Sixth one is comparison or expressing agreement. Similarly, likewise, in the same way, compared to, similarly to. Conclusion. In conclusion, to sum up, in summary, overall, to wrap up, all in all, in nutshell. Generalization. Generally, typically, overall, in most cases, usually. Emphasis. Indeed, in fact, particularly, especially, undoubtedly. Students, remember, the effective use of connectors not only improve the flow and coherence of your essay but also demonstrate your command of the English language and your ability to express ideas in a clear and organized manner. Thank you students. Please like, share and subscribe.